Hey y'all, it's Clayton Adams with National Trailer Source down in Rose City, Texas. Let's go take a look at some trailers. All right, let's take a look inside this 15-foot living quarter. If you have kiddos, this is the trailer for you. With the couch being in the slide, it really opens up, giving you a ton of space inside the living quarter. Making our way toward the nose, there is some overhead storage behind you. Also have a collapsible table that you can pull out and use in front of that sofa. We even have a little TV over here. Backing out of the nose, we'll take a look at the kitchen. There's a 6.0 fridge there with a double sink, cabinets above and below, recessed cooktop, which is going to allow you to have more space on top of the counter there. As we make our way toward the bathroom, this floor plan does give you a little bit more space than on typical models that you see. So as we make our way out, here is the best part of this trailer. We have our own separate bunk room. You'll see here we have 2 bunks and 3 closets for hanging clothes and keeping things up and out of the way. I really love what they've done here. In a second here, I'm going to show you these with them opened to just show you how much space that you are really getting in here. Both bunks are roughly the size of 2 twin mattresses. And as promised, here's a look at those 3 closets that come in this. There's so many uses that you can have now utilizing these extra 3 storage compartments in the trailer. Thank y'all again for joining me on another episode of In the Box with Clayton. Make sure you give this video a like. Also, follow me on Facebook and YouTube for the latest inventory. Give me a shout, 409-769-7993. We'll hook you up.